Hey y'all, sorry I forgot yesterday to tell y'all my maintenance tricks on my videos for this hair. Let's go through this really quickly. It's not going to be long. This is the Goddess Crochet Faux Locs with the curly ends, as you can see, in 1B30. My maintenance for this is as follows. So whatever style I have, so today's style was all up in a ponytail like I showed you yesterday. And if you didn't see the video yesterday, go back to the video yesterday and click play. There you go. At night when I come home or I'm ready to get into bed, all I do is just put it back like this and put this long Jamaican, it's called a Jamaican dread block, I think. Jamaican dreadlock or Jamaican dread satin bonnet. Because it's so long. So I put it on and then I gather up the hair, oops, without the earring, because I don't have earrings when I go to bed. Just gather it up into, oh, wait a minute, hold on, let me help y'all out because this is not working out. It's not as difficult. And just tuck the hair up in there. Just tuck it like a pillowcase, because this is how long this cap is. It's like a pillowcase. And then I just shake it out so it can fall as it sees fit in the cap. So as you can see, it's like all the way down here and it's just like bunched up. But, ouch. So I do that and I just double it. So it's a satin bonnet, so it is around the edges, so it's protecting them and it's not like messing your hair up in your sleep. And this is what I use when I take a shower. I get real crazy and I'll take the back and just tuck it under like that. So you can see it stays. I don't think I'm not Tootsie rolling and pop locking in the shower, so it doesn't come off if you leave it like this all night. So that's my nighttime maintenance, and I take it out in the morning and it's just like that. Shake it and it's done. Style as you see fit. I just started putting my tea tree oil, as you can see, in my scalp because my hair is a little thin, but whatever. So I just do a little thin, a thin layer of it down the middle in each row, and then I'll massage it in. And I just put this on my edges, but I see a spot that I missed. I think I showed you this yesterday. Liquid gold. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $9 or $10. And it's like this in a jar. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, there you go. Like a regular grease. And I just put it on my edges. And just rub it in. Sometimes I get the good old school brush and brush it in. So, it's into the hair. And there we have it. I use this liquid gold, and it's just black castor oil, beeswax, and fragrance. That's all that's in this. Nothing special, but it's supposed to let my hair grow on my thinning edges. This is week 2. Let's see what happens on week 4 or 5. Maybe it'll grow, maybe it won't. But anyway, this is the size of the tube, and it's, if you're good with math, I think this was like, I don't know how many ounces, but it's this size. It can fit in my hand. There you go, that width. And the tea tree oil I got from the beauty supply store. And there we have it. Oh, sorry. My son's texting about picking him up. Sorry for the delay. Tea tree oil from the beauty supply store. It was like $2.99. At times, depending on how dry my hair is, if I feel like it, I'll spray this throughout my hair, and it moisturizes, it adds shine, repairs chemically damaged hair. I haven't had relaxing in 12 years, so this doesn't apply to me. It's not greasy, weaves, braids, yada yada yada. It's 14 in 1. So you can find this at your local beauty supply store if you live in an area like this, not like this. If you didn't catch that, I'm sorry. I got mine online because I live in this area, not this area. And that's all I do. So that's my maintenance. Like it, love it, leave it. If it helps, I am glad for you. If it did not help, I'm sorry you wasted your 4 minutes. Have a great day. Bye.